everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Neat little car, guys. Very cool color combination. It is finished in a bullet green, deep metallic with the, I think it's called Palomino, like a tan vinyl interior. Pretty car, man. It's been upgraded. It's a C-code car, so it's a factory 289 two-barrel car. It now has a later model 302 in it with a mild cam in it, AFR aluminum heads. You can see they put a set of 15-inch Magnum 500s on it with Kuhmo rubber all the way around it. Just a neat car. I'm glad I got some pictures done of this car before I left town. So I've got some in the sunshine so you can see the real vibrant green. You can definitely pick the car a little bit. There's some touch-up marks, but it's really a good car. A little performance to it. Definitely something you can have some fun with. Like I said, I got a few photos done as like kind of a sneak peek, so you kind of see the car in the sunshine. Because man, does that color pop. Man, we had some beautiful days, and now our weather has gone cold, and not so fun to be out here when it's a little windy and the temperature's down. Car's nice and straight down the sides, sits good, looks good. New CUDA in the background. We'll try to get that shot this week as well. Ton of new stuff just came in, guys. I know guys are chomping at the bit for me to get videos done. I'll do them as fast as I can. We've been on a buying spree. We had a few good shows come up that we got quite a few cars bought at. Like I say, as you walk around it, you can see some touch-up marks, little things like that on the car that you can kind of nitpick. Again, 15-inch Magnum 500s. They put the 302 badging on it. The car was actually a C-code 289. Again, good running 302 AFR aluminum heads. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock Torker II intake, power steering, power brakes, C4 automatic. You can see the VIN is on the apron, factory C-code. It's got an MSD box on it. It's got an MSD ready to run distributor in it. Flex fan. Good looking car. Varnish there in your paint. Yeah, it's a little chilly today. A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. New door handles. Does have your original door tag in there. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. Car's only got 75,000 miles on the car. You can see a little wear there in the top of your. That's actually from resting your arm up there. Factory bucket seat. It's got a new Cobra wood wheel on it, which is really nice. It's got the fold down rear seat. $75,782. Factory dash, factory shifter. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM cassette radio. Good sounding H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Stock rear end, no big gear, anything like that. It's got a new fuel tank and that. I mean, see, I mean they've done some work to the car. It's a neat car. Sorry guys, I bumped this thing off here. Apologize. Car's clean underneath here. As always, there's photos underneath the cars. I post that on all of them. If you ever need additional photos or anything like that, I think this stuff here is actually original on the car. A lot of the interior is new. New door pads, new carpet. I bet you these sill plates are probably original, but they've definitely redone the seats. New carpet, but like the dash looks original, which again, it would make sense on the 75,000 miles. Love the steering wheel in here. Again, new carpet. If you ever need any additional photos or anything, the guys will always post. You can call them up. The guys will always post them. A-pillar chrome looks good. Again, good running 302. Nice little cam to it. Definitely something you can have some fun cruising. These fastbacks, man, everybody's out for them. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge looks like it's working. Doors open and close nice. Good sounding flows on it. New rubber. I don't know if the radio is working. Wipers are functional. It's cold. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys. Have a great day, guys.